Are you a fan of food? Do you like having some fun? Interested in learning how to cook? Then join us live. Join us here at Kitchen Confidence, where I'll guide you along your culinary journey. Let's hang out, craft amazing dishes, have some fun, and share some laughs. Ask questions, share stories, let's make some memories. Together, we can build your skills, improve your technique, and hone your confidence. We'll be here, and we'll be waiting for you. So drop a follow, watch the VODs, hit that notification bell, check the schedule, and we will see you soon. Remember, kitchen confidence starts with you.